Hi, I am Aaron Greathouse and I've worked for MachMotion for 5 years. As a customer service manager, I take pride in the way we take care of our MachMotion partners. When you upgrade your machine with MachMotion, we become your partner for the life of your control. Our partnership means that we're committed to your success and will be here every step of the way. If you opt for a turnkey installation, we offer a money-back guarantee that we won't leave your shop until your machine is up and running. If an on-site install isn't the right fit for you, you can still count on us for lifelong, world-class support even if you install the control yourself. Though we work hard to help you make sure production never stops, we understand that, at times, you still may need some assistance with your machine. Our team of highly trained experts are all located right here and are eager to take your call. In fact, if necessary, you can even grant us remote access to your machine. This way, we can help you get back up and running as quickly as possible. We're so glad you chose MachMotion, and we look forward to serving you today, tomorrow, and in the future.